Hey guys, how are you? Captain Sam, and today is Monday, August 5th, and I think this is my fan sale order. So let me open it up and see what it is, shall we? Okay, I'm just gonna notice one thing. I did not touch this package at all, but it looks like somebody tried and sliced open. You know, I'm gonna... Hang on a second here. Okay, I was just gonna take a picture of it. I don't like that at all, that somebody was trying to break in my package. Oh, in that case, I'm just gonna open it this way. Yes, I believe. Where is this now? Okay, hang on a second. Alright, so this is the first toolkit. Now, I got this, it's my birthday month. My birthday's at the end of August, and I am a Virgo, and that's why I got it, and it's 9 colors. She is so pretty. I love her. And look at these drills. Let's open them up really quickly. So, gold teardrops, silver, like mother of pearl. My birthstone, it looks like peridot green. And then that is definitely peridot green. And then that's it. So there is that one. Toolkit. So this is a beautiful monarch butterfly. And as you can see, the drill fill, it has guided circles around it, which I love. This one's kind of like confetti heavy. So, I mean, I still like it, but yeah. And it's 21 colors. It's 1 through 8, and then that's a numerical order, and then it's only letters, but it's not alphabetical order. And here are all the pretty colors. Like, look at those bright oranges. Oh, stunning. This is going to be a really nice canvas to do. There's this one. Okay, so this one is a Harry Potter one, and I've seen it before, and this is awesome. It's only 4 colors, you guys. 4. And, here they are. 2 bags of red, 1 black, and those 2 colors. So, it's already kitted up, which I love, and then it has DMC number on there. But this is color blocking heaven for me. I would get this done really, really fast with my multiplier and stuff. So there's no guide. Oh, yes, there is. I don't know if you can see it or not. No, okay, they don't have guided circles on here. I thought it looked like it for a minute, but it didn't. It didn't. By the way, you guys, I do have a code for fan sales for you to get money off your order. It's called SAMA. So it's just a capital letter SAMA. And that's it. So let me know if you will use the code or not down in the comments below. And yeah, I hope it gets some of your money off for you for your order. So there's that one. There's a toolkit. This is a beautiful kernel, and it's only 19 colors. And his letters are in numerical order, like 1 through 8. Is that. And then A, C, letters all the way down. But this is really pretty, and there's no black in this, which I'm shocked over. But isn't that beautiful? And here's all the drills and the dummy bags, people call these. I've heard diamond painting my cat call them that. I've heard, I think diamond grandma too, but I don't know, I can't remember. But quite a few people call them that. There's that one. Okay, there's your toolkit. So this is an adorable Scooby-Doo. I'm not sure if I'm pretty sure Diamonds by Tita got this one from Temu, but I don't remember fully or not. And then I'm pretty sure someone else got it too, because I remember seeing it on another channel. I'm like, okay, I have to get this Scooby-Doo. And it's only 20 colors. And it's in lettered 1 through 8. And all letters. And it does have the guided circles, as you can see, like around here. And here. And there. So it does have like little training wheels. But whoop. It's packaged in the little dummy bags. The reason why I don't like these is because see those numbers, they can rub off so easily. It's not even funny. That's the background. So yeah, really cute little Scooby-Doo. And I got one more for you guys. So stay tuned for that one. And it's a 30 by 30. But I feel this is more 25 by 25. Let's actually measure it because I'm curious for a second here. Hang on a second. Okay, so technically it's a 22 inch. So that's coming from, wait. Shoot. Okay, hang on again. Okay, so technically it's a 23 by... It's a 23 by 23. So, I knew it was a little bit smaller, but that's okay. It's still cute. Okay, I got this gorgeous Wednesday Addams girl. She's 21 colors. And it's in 1 through 8 is in numerical order, and it's in alphabetical order. Ooh, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, L, M, N. And these are all the colors. Looks like there's 3 bags? 310? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. And then these are the rest of the colors. I think this is so pretty. And perfect for Halloween, too. So that is it. That is how much I got today on this short video. But yeah, other than that, I just have two more things coming now, because I got my giveaway that I won from Star, and my other Temu order that I purchased. So yeah, I think that, and this is round drill, by the way. All the canvases I got were round except for one special drill. So on that note, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys real soon, okay? Bye guys.